This example demonstrates audio effects with 4 Mac 500s. We activate the programmer and select the Mac 500s for programming. In our case, fixtures 6 to 9. We have to activate the dimmer channel, but as the dimmer channel is a highest take precedence, we have to take it back to 0 to see the effect. It just needs to be activated to be seen in the effects dialog. To apply an effect, we have to go to the Advanced menu, which is accessed by pressing the double arrow key and then pressing the Effects soft key. Once in the effect dialog, you will see the dimmer channel that we activated just before. By pressing it, we tell Xciter that we want to apply an effect generator to it. We do that by pressing Edit and then choosing a generator number. Let's pick 30 and press Enter to confirm. From the display, we see that a sine wave effect is assigned to generator 30, which again works on the dimmer channels. But we want an audio shape, not a sine shape, so we press the soft key to change it. In the list of effects shapes, we scroll down to the audio high effect and select it with the soft key. Nothing happens though. We have to adjust the swing parameter, which determines how audio influences the dimmer channel. To make it more fancy, we can add some fixture delay. A small value will make a small delay across the fixtures, whereas a really high value will give a random effect. We like this effect, so we'll exit the effects dialog by pressing Escape. In the fader display, we see an indication of the effect running. We are not satisfied with the positions of the Mac 500s, so we are going to apply a previously programmed preset to the pan and tilt channels. We do this by holding down the pan button, selecting the preset page and the preset number, in this case number 2. We do the same for the tilt channel, and the fixtures reposition according to the preset. We like this scene and want to store it and assign it directly to a Q button. Pressing Store once stores the scene from the programmer into the editor, indicated by incrementing the scene counter. We press Store again, and a dialog asks us where and how we want to store the scene in the Xciter show memory. We want to store it as a background scene to Q11, so we press the corresponding soft key followed by the button 11. We press Enter to confirm our choice. Xciter suggests a default name, which is okay, so we simply press Enter again. Now I want to show you how playbacks work, so we exit the programmer and go into Q mode by pressing the Q button and then starting our new Q, Q number 11, which starts running immediately. I've programmed a wave effect as a playback. Let's fade it into the running Q. As you can see, Xciter does a nice mix of the playback and the cue.